There it is, guys, today's playground. And that's what we're driving. Eazy RC sent over this Colorado for us to check out. It's an 18 scale, 4-wheel drive, brushless truck. It's ready to run. All you need is some AA batteries. And coming up in this video, I'm gonna unbox it right here, quickly tell you about its features, and then we're gonna bash it here at the skate park, either until the battery dies or it dies. So this thing's like 150 bucks. They have 3 different styles for it. And like I said, they give you everything inside the box. It's nicely packaged, and there it is. So I've already cheated. I've taken this thing out so I can charge up the battery. I charge it on my high-tech charger, and they do supply a USB charger with it, so that'll get you going. But I'll have a link in the video description for the high-tech charger and the adapters that I use to get the battery all charged up. But look at this thing. I love that Colorado body, especially because it's the blue version, RC Driver Blue, right guys? Let's pop the body off and look at that. 4-wheel drive. Ooh, that chassis looks kind of familiar, right? Little Traxxas inspired right there. But look at this thing. It's got oil-filled shocks. I like the nubs on the tires. It looks like kind of the battery hold down might be a little specific to the car. I don't know. I'll measure it up and put some dimensions in the description below. There's your speed controller over there. Dude, it's got a fan on the motor. That's pretty awesome. Brushless motor. And look at that, just A-arm style suspension, a little flexible there. CVs, I think this thing's got ball bearings as well. Adjustable tire rods. So this thing is looking pretty trick. All right, I'm gonna grab the radio out of here, throw the batteries in. We're gonna hit all those ramps over there. All right, guys, let's see what this Colorado has. Yeah, it's got some speed. Look at that, for a 2S pack. Awesome. Man, that's got some sick speed to it for such a small truck. Let's go with a bump. Yeah, take it easy. I don't want to break it just yet. Off the side of that. This thing handles pretty good for such a small truck. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. I think it's already worth 150 bucks. Look at that, guys. This thing is sick. Oh, man. Oh, rail slide upside down. How cool is that? Man, look at this thing. All right, we're going big air now. Oh, that was awesome. Oh. Okay, it took that hit. Up the half pipe, off the rail. Look at it, it lands on all 4 tires all the time. This is just way too much fun. I honestly was not expecting this thing to perform that well. It's amazing how like just controllable it is. Rip around this quarter bowl here. Nice. Wheelie. Come back through again. Man, look at that thing. Big air, lots of brake. Oh, up and down. This is probably like the most fun I've ever had with a Mini, just bashing it around. Where has this thing been all of my life? Oh, I hit that. What is that? Oh, that's just a flat spot. Oh, what did it do? Nothing. Everything's still together. Well, let's go. Okay, I'm impressed. That is worth 150 bucks right there. Guys, the Colorado survived the skate park. The only two things that happened were I lost the lens for the front LED lights, no big deal. And after landing on the roof, after a big jump, I did break the rear body mount. This is a $6 part. The only problem is the shipping for this part is like $10. So that's something to keep in mind for this, but it's actually still usable. I've been driving this thing around on my street with just the 3 body posts and actually took a speed test as well. This thing does 27 miles an hour. That's just the right speed for having fun without destroying the truck.